load of holes. And this is your applicator.
Okay.
So there's a case of you just put that in there.
Yep.
Shake it.
Yep.
And then you've got all of the dust on there.
Yep.
And then you'll wipe that over.
Oh, nice. Yep.
Your area.
Yep.
And then that way it will show up any low spots.
Yep.
And then when you're sanding to the finish, you sand too.
Yep.
You know you've got rid of the knob.
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah.
And we do it in white as well.
Yeah, I was going to say that'd be white would be handy as well. Yeah.
With the Dexos, you can put the dual vac.
Oh, lovely. Yep. Yep.
So I noticed you've got 2 dust extractors there. So what you could do is have this one centralized in the shop.
Yep.
And you have 2 hoses coming out of the size unit.
Yep.
Thanks again, Ryan, for letting us come in.
No, thanks for having me at workshop. Cheers, appreciate it. Thank you.